Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see whether Java JDK is properly installed and configured in our computer. Now what we do is we will click on the start button. We will search for terminal, or we can open up the command prompt. Both will work. In this example I will use the terminal, and once the Windows terminal is opened, here we will check the version of Java JDK that is installed in our computer. For that, we have to type in java space -- version, and after that you have to hit the enter key. If you see a message like this where you can find information about Java, then it means that Java is installed in your computer and it is properly configured. And if you see an error message, something like this, which states that the term Java is not recognized as the name of the commandlet, function, script file, or operable program, then it means that Java JDK is not installed in your computer. If Java is not installed in your computer and if you want to install it, then I have already made a tutorial. I will provide the link in the description box. You guys can check that out. So this is it guys for this particular video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.